sailing organs, but a fighting spirit. A girl who found her passion as a dancer when she found her answer in a doctor. When Lily was born with a rare genetic condition, UC Davis Health's comprehensive children's hospital turned it around, so she could be the competitive dancer she is today. Choose the care that changes your story. Visit cheesehealth.ucdavis.edu to learn more.
May 13th, the Progressive American Flag Drag Series is saved. Expo with a legendary Sacramento Mile. Witness the top riders in the world battle at 140 miles per hour, handlebar to handlebar, at one of America's flat track racing's most prestigious events. Don't miss the Piston Boost legendary Sacramento Mile, powered by Lawtimer. Get your tickets now at fci-racing.com. Sacramento news voices you can trust. Christina Mendoza and Sam Shane. The KFBK Morning News on KFBK News Radio. Clay and Brock, we're down here in Fort Myers, Florida, and doing a lot of events tonight. Looking forward to seeing all of you who are coming out in the Fort Myers, Naples area. We said we'd come down here and be with all of you and try to do what we can to create more momentum for everyone's enthusiasm for the rebuild and all the things going here. So that's why we're down here. Thank you all for first of all inviting us down. And we got this big news that was the shock at the top of the show that just broke, which was Tucker Carlson out at Fox News. Much smaller and much more amusing for us news, Don Lemon out at CNN. Every line is lit from all of you across the country. And then again, also, I mean, Clay, I open my email box or my text messages and everyone's just freaking out about this. But let's hear what you think all across the country, team. Judy in Wisconsin, first up here, Judy. What's on your mind?
Hi. I just want to say that this is so frustrating. It's never ending. We can't keep anybody that gives us the proper news that you feel like you can trust. My whole family listens to Fox, and especially Tucker. A lot of the people I associate with. For the owners of Fox to decide to just get rid of him and shut down another voice for the people that are moderate or conservative is just ridiculous. I know myself, the other news stations that have continually been taken off because of people like AOC decide that, they should be saying something like Tucker should be taken off the air. I'm sure it really didn't have anything to do with it, but the whole thing is it's a never-ending struggle to keep someone around that you feel like you can trust and trust their opinion. So for me, I'm done with Fox, and I've been a Fox fan forever. So I watch Newsmax also. I will continue now to watch just Newsmax. Fox puts out all these shows like One Nation, which are very good. And, you pay for your subscription. Okay, well, I'm done with that too, and so is probably everybody else that I'm hanging around with.
Judy, thanks so much for calling in. Appreciate you sharing your perspective.
What I would just say is Tucker will explain his decision-making, I think, at some point.
Yeah.
And so how exactly this all went down, we don't know. JB, so I would say just be aware. You trust talent, right? I think that is the paramount thing that is going on in media today, right? You may not agree with everything that Buck or I say on a day-to-day basis, but no one is in our ear saying, you guys have to say this. And Buck, this is why we took this show and why we were happy to have Julie Talbot as our boss. Buck, she had my back when she didn't need to right after I started in sports. So I wouldn't have taken this job if I didn't know who our boss was and that she had our back. Again, I would just encourage all of you out there, trust talent. Ultimately, over time, you have to work that from the point. I don't think Buck's that good of an actor either. Radio and live television and live media in general, over time, you reveal yourself one way or the other. I don't think Clay saw my Euripides back in high school, Mr. I will say this. We did skits for the Fox Bet Live gambling show that I used to do on Fox Sports for 4 years. I am the worst actor who has ever lived if I have to memorize lines and I have to deliver them.
I just don't think Clay needs to be taking shots at my one-man Hamlet that I did.
I would be stunned if you're a phenomenal actor. I know I'm not. I can't do it.
JB in Austin. JB, what do you got for us? KLBJ, by the way. We love our KLBJ folks. Thank you for making us number one in Austin. What's going on?
Yeah, Clay. Hey, Buck. How you doing?
Good. Great.
Love the show. Yeah, love the show. Of course, the news of Tucker, was kind of crazy this morning. But look, we all of us, we have to quit hiding behind Trump. And what I mean by that is the left doesn't hate Trump. They hate America. They hate conservative Christian America and our founders. And it's in the media. I know it's kind of probably an easy place to be to let Trump take all the bludgeon, and we have to change that narrative. AM radio's next, man. You know what's going on with that too, and we really have to fight as a group of Republican, independent, and conservatives to make sure this doesn't happen.
JB, totally agree with you. And by the way, they are coming for other people, and I do think there's some politics behind the push right now to limit AM radio in new cars. AM radio, we're down here in Fort Myers right now. You know what people could rely on when they really need to know what's going on with the power went out and everything else? AM radio. In a disaster or emergency situation, what is your last, most reliable line of communication? The one that is there for you? AM radio. It needs to be in cars. We need to keep it going. And that's not even getting into the politics of it. We'll take one more here. We'll get into more in the next hour. Dan in